Use of agent feature. The agent feature is provided for special cases like the WE system may work with regional contract partners whom we call the agent. The agent subcontracts operational treatment partners. Or the contract partner of the WE system is the headquarter of any treatment company. The treatment company has different plants at different locations, and the person from the headquarter will do the RepTool reports for the plants. In these cases, the agent as well the operational plants get RepTool access. As WE system or RepTool access administrator, you decide if you need this feature or not. If you want to use it, click the checkbox for Use Agent feature. Additionally, you may decide if data of subcontractors may get visible to the agents in general. For more information on the work with agents, please see the user manuals for the system level and for reporters. A video on the work with the agent feature may come in the future. You have to confirm your choices by using the Submit button.